Why is large-scale ice production so challenging? Space constraints, slow installation, high costs. CBFI TV400, world's first 40-ton integrated tube ice machine. 40-ton output, only 12 square meters footprint, 3-day commissioning. Integrated design, no space waste. 12 square meters for 40-ton output, doubling capacity at same cost. Single container delivery, 65% freight saved. 3-day on-site startup, 70% labor cut. Inherited CBFI core technology, 6-layer welding design, lifelong leak-proof. Custom-built screw compressor with a dual separator design. Semi-flooded evaporator, uniform ice thickness top and bottom, 50% less fractured ice. Energy storage receiver times 80% faster defrost times 10 to 15% higher output. Multi-layer insulation, 15-year stable performance, zero cooling capacity loss. 20-year OPEX cut by 94% VS split models, enough to save an extra unit. From large edible ice plants, aquatic processing, industrial cooling and cold chain logistics to supermarket distribution. TV400, built for diverse scenarios. CBFI TV400, simpler ice making, smarter investment. CBFI, the new benchmark for 40-ton integrated ice machines. Experience it now.